telecom companies would be in focus in today's trade, as yesterday the telecom minister, Mr. Kapil Sibal, had indicated that the companies will now be allowed to share spectrum but in the same circle. But he has kept 3G services out of the ambit of spectrum sharing, and also the permission for spectrum sharing would be initially given for 5 years, and the spectrum sharing will help the companies to overcome the shortage of airways. So keep an eye on telecom stocks like Bharti, Idea, Tata Teleservices and Reliance Communication. And the other counter which will be in focus in today's trade will be heavyweight Reliance Industries. Remember, despite of yesterday's rally, Reliance Industries was down by over 1% in yesterday's trade. Now BP has trimmed the fair value of Reliance assets in its books. The value of Reliance stake in D6 has fallen by almost $785 million. Remember, in September the value in BP books for Reliance assets was around $5.28 billion, which has now come down to around $4.5 billion. And Reliance has also indicated to the government that the output from the KG-D6 would now fall down to around 22.6 MMSE MD for FY13 and FY14. Remember, earlier also there was a decline which was declared to around 27 MMSE MD. And after all this, even the brokerages have started downgrading Reliance Industries. Example being HSBC has downgraded the company, citing 10% run-up in its share. If you look at the year-to-date return for Reliance Industries, it has shot up by over 20%, but technically it's trading above 50, 100 and 200-day moving average. And the other counter, aviation space, will be in focus as the oil marketing companies have cut ATF prices by 0.5%. Now remember, this is the second time in the month of February where they've cut prices. The prices have been cut by around rupees 350 per kilometer, and the price cut is effective from 16th of February. So keep an eye on stocks like Kingfisher Jet and SpiceJet in today's trade.